G'day, it's Mark here at KombiLife, and we've got a fantastic 5-cylinder multivan here today. It's like a 2004 to 2009 era van, but what we're about to see with the swivels applies to all of the multivans, all the transports, all the Caravelle short long wheelbase. We've installed 2 swivels today into this particular vehicle. So let's have a look at how they work. You'll see under here that we've installed, under the seat here, we've installed the swiveling plate. And over here we've got a swiveling plate as well. And we've also installed underneath this handbrake, we've installed, under the handbrake new cover that we've just installed, is the Handbrake Lowering Kit. So for a twin swivel installation, we're going to install 3 pieces of hardware. The passenger swivel, the driver's swivel, and the Handbrake Lowering Kit. All of this equipment's made in Germany, all TÜV approved, crash tested, and available for compliance certification here in Australia, and this has just been certified by our New South Wales engineer. So let's duck through, and I'm just going to go and manipulate this seat now. Now the seat where it presently is, if I pull the lever up, is not going to budge. The seat won't budge because it's in the wrong position. So before we swivel this seat, we just want to make sure it's up high enough so it can go up and down on the ratchet here. We want to make sure that the backrest is further forward, and then the seat is pulled further forward. So with the seat further forward, we can now lift the lever and swivel the seat around. So now the seat's swiveled around, the backrest is a little bit too high for sitting on, so just relax that a little bit. And now because it had been pushed forward, the seat is now a little bit too far into the cabin. So here I can move the seat back towards the glove box now, so it's in the back position. So that's seat number 1. What about seat number 2? Seat number 2 is a little bit trickier. And the reason it's trickier is not because the mechanism's any different, because the steering wheel's in the way. So a couple of things. Before we swivel, we're going to have to lower the handbrake. It will not clear that handbrake when we swivel. So we just have a look through here. You see the handbrake's in the up position. I don't recommend lowering the handbrake unless the vehicle is in park and it's on level ground. So generally we're only swiveling seats when we're camping, so we'll be on level ground when we're camping. So just lower the handbrake and the vehicle is presently in park, or perhaps if you have a manual gearbox vehicle, it is in neutral. So let's have a look through here at the steering wheel adjustment. So on the vans, we have a steering wheel adjustment. Underneath here, you may be able to see underneath there is a lever which comes down, and that allows me to do rake adjustment and height adjustment as well. So I'm going to push it in and up. I can relock it just so it stays in that particular position. Again, this seat is in the incorrect position for swiveling, so I need to raise it up a little bit and use the reclining knob. And in this particular case, I really need to recline it a long way forward to clear the steering wheel. Lift the lever and start to make it forward. In fact, lift the lever and turn it. And I will now pull it a little bit further forward, and it's now through. Obviously it's too far reclined. Recline again back and push that back. And that's the procedure to open up this van now with the driver's swivel and the passenger swivel. And just have a look at this, just the space in this van is just absolutely awesome. So to put it all back, do all those procedures basically in reverse. This is a look at the lever. That's the lever that you're actually using. In the older T5s like this one, it has a big lever for going fore and aft. On the newer ones, it's a little hook. But this is the lever that actually does the swiveling, this big flat black one. And the seat will not lock in the rear facing position. It only locks in the forward facing position. So for travel, the seat must be locked in the forward facing position. Thanks for watching, and any questions, just give us a hoy. Thanks for